Hi, welcome to my video. Today we're doing opening unboxes. And we're opening it.
Awesome. Hello there and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me and my girls. Wilhelmina is right. We are opening up Michael's grab bag boxes. I was not expecting to see these in the store the other day. I just went there to grab some t-shirts and walked in and there are tons of boxes.
Okay.
And I am hoping it's the spring stuff because every time we go there, it's still like only 40% off, which is still a little expensive in my opinion with some things. So I didn't see any spring things in any of the aisles. It's all Christmas, holiday, just wonderful pieces that they have on now. So I'm hoping that's what's in these. So, careful. We are going to jump right in. So join with me is Emma and Megan and Wilhelmina. And of course, I'm Rachel. So without further ado, are you girls excited?
Yeah.
I waited for them to all be home to do these. So if you have not gotten to your Michaels yet, go and check out to see if you can find any boxes and grab a few of them. You never know what you can find, and I feel like these ones are going to be good ones. So, okay?
You're being on the team. I'm being on the team.
Oh, okay. You ready? Okay. They did a really good job taping this time. I couldn't even peek in. They made the duct tape, or not the duct tape, they made the shipping tape right over the holes for the handles so I couldn't see a thing. So,
Oh wait, then how do you even grab the
excuse
pack?
noise.
Are we doing new movies? Whoa.
What in the world?
I see flowers.
Flowers.
Whoa!
Flowers galore. Oh wait, Mom, I need you to cut something.
Mommy, look
Oh wait,
it!
never mind, I got it.
What is that?
Is that a mermaid?
That's a
It's
tail.
a tail.
It's a
tail. Oops, sorry, Olivia.
Oh, maybe some Halloween.
No, not. It's a tail.
I didn't think about Halloween.
Those on your like.
I just know I was excited about the spring stuff because I keep seeing them still on the shelves
Holy cow.
and nothing really put anywhere.
This is a
So,
lot of flowers. A lot of really nice.
wow, look how pretty those are. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
There's a garbage.
Oh, it is not a garbage, but it is.
Oh,
You can definitely use
sorry.
that for a planter or something.
Get off my foot.
Do we open this?
These are stems, fall stems. No,
Oh,
open that one yet.
okay. Oh, she slipped.
Fall stems. Oh my gosh, I've been looking at those. I've been looking at these for a while
There's a
now, and I'm
whole
like, yeah, I want them so bad, but I'm not paying $10. Beautiful. There's
Wait, no,
pretty
we
little
gotta make
bouquets. Keep going. What you got?
Lots
What
and
you
lots
got? What
of
you got?
flowers.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, those are pumpkins.
Can you come and sit over here so the camera can see you?
Pumpkin ribbon. More flowers.
And
gosh.
look,
These are pretty.
there's pumpkins.
Out.
So,
Your
we're
witch.
gonna open that.
Wait.
There's a
Wait, you're
little
witching.
tutu
Wait,
guy.
let me see it.
Quit your witching.
No.
I like it.
Oh, I just quit. I was like,
Yeah, it looks
oh
like
wow.
it looks like
What?
out, but
Why
when you
me-
look at it carefully, yes.
A crown?
Look how cool! I really was excited about the spring stuff. I just love these colors, and
There's a crown.
I mean, we could do something with this. Definitely decorate it somewhere.
Here's
That is pretty
more
cool.
stems.
Look,
This is normally $25.
Mom,
Really?
look.
Is it heavy? It looks heavy.
Yeah, it's a little heavy. Oh, look at that.
And a basket full.
Yes, a nice
Oh, wait,
basket
this
full of more
There's stuff under it.
flowers.
Mom,
What
I'm
is-
a
what is
queen.
that?
Oh, it's a chain.
Mom, look.
Oh, this is garland, early fall garland that is
Oh.
messy. So we're just gonna put that back in the basket. Look
It's like actual pollen.
Look how pretty this. Hold on, baby. I see. Look at this pretty basket. This basket is normally $30.
I'm a queen.
Very,
Oh my gosh,
cool.
there's a
Mommy, look it. You've
There's a
been waiting
sign.
for this.
Antiques Open.
Antiques Open. That is pretty cool.
Look, you were waiting for this.
I know that eventually for our barn we are
You were
going to need
waiting
a sign
for
like
this,
that.
Mommy.
So that is pretty cool. Look how pretty this flower is.
Oh, here's another bouquet.
This is a pony.
Look.
And-
Ooh, aw.
Oh,
Too bad.
Wait,
So
is anyone-
close.
Oh, Nana. And for Nana.
Yep. Another bouquet.
Look, Mom.
Yes.
And
And
the
some
last.
more flowers. Lots of flowers. Which is just fine with me because I can definitely do stuff with that. So that is pretty cool.
Now it's
Um,
me. Your turn.
Do you want to tally up anything?
No.
No?
I want to open it too.
So we got Wilhelmina the dinosaur, and we tallied up this first box, and it is worth $375 retail. That's without any sales. That is awesome. Like I said, I am loving the spring decor. I've been waiting to get my hands on it. I don't know if it's because 2020 that it was closed during the spring, so they were trying really hard to sell it the rest of the year, and they finally had to put it out because the Christmas stuff took over. Either way, I'm pretty happy with box number 1. So now we are going to open up box number 2. Okay, so there we go.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, look at all the berries.
Wow.
Wait, I'm going off on me.
So it looks like we got more spring stuff. So I will take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it.
Oh.
What in the world are these strawberries?
Those are $20. Oh, those are $8 per thing. Wait.
It says fall, and these are stems
Look at this
with
color.
really pretty berries on it. That is a really pretty color. And holy moly to all the berries.
I like this color.
Look.
I see. There's more berries.
Are we putting these behind us?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's a blue.
Wow. Oops, I'm sorry. I just completely put this flower in there with that. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Mom, there's another red.
Look how pretty
There's
this is.
another
That
red
was really
seed.
pretty.
It just says stem, so it doesn't say anything. They look like hydrangea
Oh, look at
flowers,
these.
but I'm not quite sure.
Look at these.
Yeah, very, very
Mommy,
pretty.
look it.
Yes, very, very pretty.
Mom, they haven't coming out.
Oh yeah, the baby one. They make them look like they're
Oops.
just blooming, and then they have ones that are all the way bloomed.
Earlier we grab X for after Christmas.
Mom, we
I know, that
they
would be
have
pretty cool.
something down
Feels like
here.
there's a piece
It
of
all-
wood where my leg is. I don't know where it is though.
It all depends on if we are shut down again, what's gonna happen. I don't know if they're gonna be Christmas grab bags, so we shall see. But
Oh, that's so pretty.
oh, that is so pretty. Look at all these bouquets of flowers.
Oh my.
Wow.
Oh, wow, we got two.
Whoa, Wilhelmina's gonna knock me out with
Two
the
buckets is fine, and two baskets is
buckets.
fine.
Yeah.
No, there's 3 baskets in here.
Oh, look at
Oh,
all
yeah,
these
there's 2.
flowers.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, that is so pretty.
I want that. Me too.
Oh
Mom,
my
look,
goodness.
There's baby flowers.
Look at all these flowers.
Oh, there's a.
Well, I guess if you love to do floral arrangements, ooh, that is pretty. I would suggest running to Michael's to see if they have any left. Oh, we got 2 more of these, so
That
it's
basket's
always
really pretty.
nice to have. And then
What is this?
you gotta give me a
Oh my.
hint. Ooh, what's this?
99% angel, 1% witch. But it's like an extra large. So
look
look
it.
at you.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cool, Mom.
Yeah, look it. We found a water bottle. So this would be really, really pretty to have some flowers in. Yeah, this is a pretty sign.
Okay.
Everything that I saw from spring were a lot of the pinks and the gold, and I was just in love. And I didn't grab anything when I was there because it was a little expensive, but that's okay. I am happy with But the things that we did find, and this is going up somewhere in the house. I don't know what we're gonna do with this water bottle, but we'll figure it out. And I love that we have.
I'm a dinosaur. Look in my tail.
Yeah. I love these buckets. Those, watch your fingers, those are definitely gonna get used up. And
Oh, look at Toothless.
I forgot this, forgot to show off this picture frame. I'm hoping that these are the real directions on how to make pecan pie or pecan pie. Pecan. Depends on where you're from.
This is mine.
How you say it? That's yours? We can put that in your bedroom?
Does this bottle open?
It should be in the kitchen.
No.
Yeah.
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 So we can look at some stuff like look at some stuff to do.
To make it?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
how it
To
opens.
make
Pie?
Get it out.
It's pie.
This is my water bottle.
No, it's
Pie.
not. Here, grab
So,
something back down.
well, that was really fast.
Got it.
I think she showed me more ribbon. I saw this one too. This one's really pretty. The cream and the brown. And then the dark brown and the brown. I need that picture frame because that's going in first.
And look, we have this to make something that we want, and we're putting it in the kitchen.
Okay, bring it over. Alright, so this guy.
And
This guy was 17. These each are 20. So we just totaled up this box, and this box was worth $394, and that box was worth $375 retail without sales.
It's like $750 worth of stuff.
Holy moly, pretty cool.
For $10.
huh?
For $10.
$10. Spend $10, and it is worth how much?
Around 750. No.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, 750.
Pretty cool. Very cool.
No. Yes.
So there you have it. So these boxes were worth about $750. Lots and lots of flowers. I am pretty happy with what we got. Almost wish I got a few more boxes, but I like to share. I got my friend April 2 boxes of her own, so she gets to open them whenever she wants to. It peeked in one box, so for her, she wanted me to peek in for her. It wasn't just because I wanted to. We were wondering what was in there, and she didn't care. So I wanted to share these opening up with you all. So hurry up and get to my goals, because I don't know how much longer they will be there. So I could have possibly go and see if there are more today, but I feel like when people walk in, they grab these, even if they don't know what entails to everything. So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for joining us, and hope to see you next time. It was nice to have my girls in the video. It's been a minute, huh? So, all right. Well, thank you, and take care, and stay safe. See you later.
Bye, guys.
You're my Cincy girl. What are you doing?
Aww.